Hello folks, a very good morning, good afternoon as well as good evening to whomever is watching at different time period. I welcome you all to this another video session regarding a malicious Android app on Google Play with over 2 million install. Okay, so in this video we'll be discussing about this topic, and it is very vital whenever you are downloading or installing anything from playbook, because the threat actor has eventually targeted those audience who actually play games, right? So playing games is very vital. Playing games usually relax us, but eventually it also gives some threat to every Android users. Okay, so in this video we'll be analyzing this, and we'll be also having those apps. I have already taken those apps which are very vital and which need to be discussed, which need to have a uninstallment ASAP as soon as possible. Okay, so in this video we'll be discussing everything in details. So before going further, I just want to make sure that please do a subscription to this channel, like the channel as well as share the channel ASAP as soon as possible for getting any latest update regarding cyber fights. Okay, so in this video we have started that several recently discovered malicious app on Google Play have been found to display, which eventually introduce you advertisement to users. Okay, it usually attracts the users through its advertisements with a total of over 2 million installations. You just imagine 2 million installation. So these are Trojan attempts to hide themselves from user of Android smartphones after which is being installed. Okay, according to the detection statistics collected by Dr. Web for actually Android, the following Trojan were detected, such as we can say fake Android Trojan app. Okay, one is fake app Trojan app, then is Joker Trojan, then is hidden ads. Okay, so where we discuss about fake app Trojan app is just like employed in various fraudulent schemes, where Joker Trojan usually have forced users to subscribe to a paid services, where hidden ads basically comes with a display of annoying ads. Okay, so then when it comes to discuss about new malicious apps on Google Play, those are such as a threat actor are disseminated in the form of games. Okay, which usually basically attracts different users to install, and also they gain the access, like Shooter, Rainbow Stretch, Rubber Punch 3D, and Rubber Skibby Killer via hidden app Trojan. Then after each which is being installed in Android smartphone, this Trojan attempts to consent themselves from the user, because whenever you usually download anything in from Play Store, it usually gives us for permissions, right? You allow, you actually click on that. Where is my cursor to make you explain? Yeah, so you actually basically what you does is you just click on that. Okay, so when you click on that, it usually redirects to different means basically you have given the permission to do activities which are not necessary, like you have given permission to access some apps. Okay, for this downloads, right? So these are the different apps which usually been available in Google Play. Whenever you install, you have given permission to use from the threat actor, to be used from the threat actor. Okay, so here it is also been displayed that they usually basically, or we can say they basically replace their icons, okay, located on the on the screen menu. Okay, so I have displayed this, okay, these apps where with a transparent versions, okay, with a transparent version, and also change the name, so they were left blank. Okay, according to Dr. Webb's report, basically whenever you find something suspicious, whenever you find something it is means they have doing something irregular activities, or it is not even necessary, then definitely the suspected person will change, right? So because they do not want to find themselves as a iconic persons, right? So that's the reason why they have changed the front view designs, backgrounds, everything. So when they usually change that, they may even replace their icons with a matching replica to make it appears like they are using Google Chrome. Okay, so when user taps, okay, on such icons, just imagine that when a user taps on such icon, these Trojan starts to browse, okay, or these we can say they redirects to Google Chrome and keeps running in the background. So which basically reduces the chance they can remove it too soon and make themselves noticeable. Further, it further, if these malicious application fails to function, user will restart them, okay, believing they are starting a browser. Okay, so when we discuss about the exact family of what actually the thing is, under the fake family app, under fake apps are distributed in financial software, we can say, okay, where application like stroke trading markets, guiding to reference books, or you can say home accounting, primary, etc, etc, so the primary objective, what actually the primary objective of these fraud sites is that the the potential victims were encouraged to become investors, okay, basically, which has been reported by a recent report, where the cyber criminals have used other fake applications to pose as as in various gaming applications or apps. So these may work as a games in some situations, but their primary purpose was to load online casio websites, okay. So where are there are few more external apps which basically comes with external maze with 50k install, uh, jungle well with a 10k 10k plus installs, Stealer secrets with 10k plus installs, fire fruits, okay, like we usually cuts, right, fire fruits with 10k install, and much more. Okay, one of the joker family was dismantled as a love emoji messenger, which basically comes in the internet messenger, where while other one was distinguished as a image collecting apps, but beauty wallpaper hds. Okay, so please basically pay attention whenever you are downloading, or one of the recommendation I can even say that please pay attention to review and ensure your Android apps has an antivirus installed to lead against these viruses and malicious app. So please make attention. If you do not have that, just make a upgradation to your current version of your users, and you basically it usually enhances and boost your security consoles in the devices which you are using. Basically it's maybe Android or Mac. Okay, so this is folks, I just want to make sure that I have explained the things regarding this malicious Android apps. Okay, so just note it down, just make a note of this rainbow shooter, rainbow stretch, which is converted into ruby punch 3D, super squint killer. Okay, so these are the different apps which basically comes with a hidden trojan, and it usually been downloaded 10 million, and it can misbehave your systems as well as your Android devices. Okay, so I hope I am clear with the things, and if you are new to this channel, please do a subscription.